Alright, that is right, y'all. You'll see I got the light bar temporarily wired up for now. So let's get started. We got my light bar mounted right here, right on the front. You saw that in the first video of the mini bike. And here's my power pack right now. It's just a little 6-volt non-rechargeable battery. It's just laying around the house. Like I said, I did this with everything that was laying around my house, except for the light bar itself, which was like 15 or 20 bucks at Walmart. I had all this speaker wire laying around the house and whatnot, so yeah, it worked out just fine. So what I did is I zip tied it here. I didn't want to drill through the frame to potentially weaken it. Don't know how strong it really is. Zip tied it all the way back here to where it came out positive and negative. Ran my switch back here. I got to figure out how to mount up my switch a little bit better. And then just basically zip tied everything all the way right back up to the battery. Super simple and very cost effective. I just insulated it with electric tape and hot glue. So yeah, very simple mod. And we're gonna ride around with the GoPro in a little bit and just see how bright it actually is. But as y'all can see, I'll point it over, flip it on. It is pretty bright just by itself. So pretty neat. It's only running on half power too. That's a 6-volt battery. Just zip tied to the frame as temporary. Also hot glued and taped. But yeah, let's go for a ride on with a GoPro.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.